I was speechless. I was absolutely speechless.
It's so crazy seeing a picture of myself on such an iconic street.
London holds such a special place in my heart because it was the first place that we expanded internationally, and creators being able to get together for the first time truly in years, and at this moment when there's a paradigm shift in retail.
So our LTK creators all have 10-foot windows here where they're able to promote their own stores.
I think it's really well timed and well placed. We're on Oxford Street. This is a prime shopping street in London, yet because of the pandemic, there are quite a lot of empty shop units. We're taking over a shop unit here on Oxford Street to represent, the social commerce is now the new place of retail.
And being on a window on Oxford Street across from this huge Zara, how does that feel to you?
This is just such a pinch me moment.
I walked past it this evening and I couldn't. I was like a life-size version of me. I was hyperventilating. I was screaming.
Should we do a little scanning?
People that don't know about LTK now can just literally scan that, and then within a couple of seconds they'll be like, oh cool, this is a shop that someone's put together for me. So yeah, I think it's amazing. It's so pinch me. Yeah.
There's been certain moments in our history that I think back on with such pride, and they feel like very much turning points. And this is definitely one of those moments where there's a stake in the ground that creators are the new retailers.